In this video, I'm going to show you how I make chicken taquitos. The link and recipe for the chicken stuffing is listed below. Start by gently warming your corn tortillas using a little bit of cooking spray. You need to do this to make them pliable so you can roll it. Use about an inch of vegetable oil, bring it up to 350 degrees. Make a mixture of half flour, half water. This will be used like a glue to close the taquitos. Place a generous portion of the chicken filling on one side of the tortilla. On the other side, using a brush, apply some of the flour-water mixture. Then start rolling. Fry the rolled taquitos until a crispy golden brown. When ready, remove from the oil and place on a plate with paper towels. This will help absorb some of the excess oil. Serve with your favorite sides. Link to the Pico de Gallo recipe is below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.